What's up, guys? I'm gonna see how accurate this laser is. It's made by Laserlyte, and as you can see, look down here, it's an impulsing laser, so it's pretty much kind of like a strobe. So I'm gonna see how accurate it is. All right, there's a sign right there. Put my ear protection on. All right. Alright, that's how it is. Let me go grab the sign, guys. Oh, damn. I think I missed a couple times, but I did pretty damn good. Whew. That was about, I'd say, 20 yards, maybe 20, little plus. So check it out. Damn. The forward just right on. I probably missed when I did the double tap and all that, but not bad. What? Those four are about the size of a group of a small apple. Wouldn't you say, babe? But yeah, we got them two on the side. Not bad. Pretty decent laser. All right, thanks, guys.